Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are gonna make some chicken Big Mac
hamburgers.
These are the best hamburgers in the world, man.
I'll be right back, sir.
So we've already made one, but look it. This is how it looks like when it's on the stove.
Show on the patty at least.
When it's on the stove, this is how it looks like. So guys, this is how you make a chicken patty sandwich with Big Mac sauce. So first you're gonna need chicken patties, and then some.
Hi guys,
And then we're gonna need.
You're gonna meet my sister.
Okay, come on, get in. We're gonna need some hamburger buns, some lettuce, of course,
So she'll be right back.
some ketchup,
That's how you make.
and some mayonnaise.
If you don't like this, you can't. If you don't want to add it, you can't. I know guava juice doesn't like this. This is what the bag looks like. We only had 4 of these because someone ate it. Someone ate some of these.
Fresh. This is fresh. Fresh made.
So I will be back because I'm gonna go watch. I'm
yeah.
gonna go show you the ones that are already ready that I
The
gave
one
to
that
my
my-
sister.
My sister got. Guys, so meanwhile I'm gonna show you how the patty is looking. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is the hamburger. How it looks like. That looks so good.
Can you give it back? I ate it. I ate some of it.
So and you're gonna need to put it on the stove, and you're like gonna need to like flip it.
You can
a lot of
do
times
this too on.
on a grill.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get another.
So
bite.
guys, we're finished with this, and I'm gonna get a plate really fast because those things are freaking hot. So here it is. Here's the plate. So I have to get the patty, not the patty, the hamburger bun. I mean the chicken patty bun. And then the chicken patty. So here it is. And guys, so then I have to go get this stuff. This. So
No, everybody's gonna get one half.
first, we're gonna need a spoon. And first, we're gonna take out all our mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, yeah. Okay, I know you guys are saying, "Where's my sister? Where's her sister?" She's over there.
She's eating her hamburger. Okay, so putting the mayonnaise. This kind of might look disgusting, you guys, but actually in reality, it actually tastes good. So good.
So we're gonna add some ketchup. That's how you make Big Mac sauce in this.
It's just that you have to mix them both together, and it will give you like a whitish and reddish color.
You know his face is starting to go away.
Because all that light.
No, now he's in the middle. Okay, now he made Big Mac sauce on that.
So I'm gonna show you. It might look disgusting, but really it looks really good. It tasted so good.
Okay, so we're gonna put this on there.
Wait,
get a bite.
Big Mac sauce.
Get a bite of it.
See that?
Okay.
And then we're putting on the chicken patty.
Some lettuce.
You have to go wash this lettuce, guys. Sorry.
No, these are already washed. They've been washed.
Okay.
It's been washed since
This
years.
one is done. We're putting it and eat it.
And if you want mustard on the last thing that you see on the last bun, you could just like spread it around. Watch. I don't like eating mustard by itself.
But he likes it with he does like it with hamburgers.
With chicken patties too.
I love mustard.
Okay, guys. Okay, there you go. Now you guys better take a bite of this. Okay. Hey, put it right here. Wait.
So
Hi, take a bite of it. Put it right there. So same like that.
okay. God, bruh.
Okay, so here you go.
I just took one bite.
Okay, so
You guys ate it all. So thank you guys all for watching.
just kidding. You guys didn't eat it all.
Still here. Thank you guys all for watching. And we'll see you in the next video, bruh.